Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you. Welcome back to Study Acupuncture with me. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Richard. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm an acupuncturist. What do? I make acupuncture educational content that's easy to digest so that you can prepare for the board exam and you can feel really confident in your clinical skills when you go into the real world. If you're subscribed to my newsletter, you would have heard that I am now the father of 2 kids. So we had our second child right before Christmas, which that was just the best present that you could really ever ask for. And so that means that right now my wife and I, we're in the trenches with a baby boy. And this baby boy just loves to eat. It's actually the complete opposite experience that we had when we had my daughter. Because with her, every time we went to the doctor, we were really anxious because the doctor would say, oh, she's not gaining enough weight, you need to feed her more. But with this guy, he's eating every 2 hours. He's already outgrowing his newborn clothes and he's really just testing the stretch of his newborn diapers. So we're probably going to upgrade him to size 1 diapers really soon. So what I want to say is just thank you all for the wonderful emails, the wonderful comments, and the prayers. My wife is recovering really well. Everyone's healthy, everyone's happy.